I think triangle is one of the most complex postures there is. But today I'm going to give you just a couple of tips that can help you really find integrity in this complex triangle pose. It's time for your Mindful Monday. I'm Krista Oakes, and I like to share with you a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. So for triangle pose, two of the keys is to keep the legs straight and to keep the spine long. One way to really help you do that is to go to a wall. Put the back of your body along a wall. Feel your glutes and your shoulders and even your head on the wall. Take the arms, reach them up. Keep the legs straight. The toe is pointing to the side. I want you to reach out way past your toes as far as you can, whatever that is for you. You just go as far as you can and then just shift the arms. You could look up if you want, keeping the hands, the shoulder blades, the head, everything against the wall. With the legs straight, you root down and slowly come all the way back up. I think what happens in this pose is because we think in our minds we have to touch the floor, we'll bend the knees and we come forward and do all kinds of different things to get into this pose, which completely loses the integrity of the posture. I want you to keep your legs straight, keep your spine straight, and practice triangle with a wall and see how it changes the posture for you. I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.